Holly has issued a flash flood warning for Newcastle County in northern Delaware, northwestern Camden County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Salem County in southern New Jersey, Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 2 a.m.
No!
At 9:36 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has already fallen in spots. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Philadelphia, Camden, Wilmington, Newark, Gloucester City, Cherry Hill, Norristown, Chester, Deptford, Voorhees, West Deptford, and Lindenwold. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 1 and 3. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 329 and 346. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile marker 0 and 33. Interstate 95 in Delaware between mile marker 0 and 23. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 329 and 351. Interstate 76 in New Jersey between mile marker 0 and 3. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile marker 0 and 35. Interstate 676 in Pennsylvania between mile marker 0 and 1. Motorists should not attempt to drive around barricades or drive cars through flooded areas.